Tweaking the old engine, eh?
Why? What have you heard? Who are you? I mean, what are you doing here? Did the committee send you?
Sorry, sir. We did not mean to upset you.
Yeah, well, you know, you can't be too careful these days, right? I mean, first they accuse me of using nanoroids, right? Then they say I'm using illegal alternative fuel. Do I look like a cheater to you?
No.
No, we don't cheat in the race.
Not at all. You seem A-okay to me.
All right, here, man, let's race. And I'll prove I'm not a cheater. If you can beat me, I'll have a surprise for you.
Here.
Here, man, you can have these too. Ugh, they're way too slippery for me to use.
Wow, thank you guys. You are so heroic. I never introduced myself. My name is Luna.
Well, Luna, we should leave before any bad guys show up.
I don't think so. I think my magic got sent to something. I think it's a fake one.
But I haven't had a chance to tell my friends about your heroic deeds.
You mean your friends, right?
Ratchet, that is very insensitive.
No, I mean friends. They will be surprised it was so easy to capture such stupendous superheroes.
That is very good, Luna. Now try. She sells seashells by the...
Hey! He was just trying to help!
You've both been very helpful. The cameras that have been following you have captured your every move. And now, we have the information we need.
We?
Yeah, we got him. This was just too easy.
Where am I?
They must have blasted you good, soldier. You're on planet Metalis in the middle of Robot War 3.
Metalis? The last thing I remember is talking to Luna, and then...
Whew, that was a close one. You better get moving, soldier. You're gonna end up like me.
Scrunch? You have seen Ratchet? You know where he is?
Processing of subject 261-595 is now 1/3 complete. Begin internal examination.
I must get to him immediately. Downloading coordinates.